Dr. Curtis Tappenden, and I'm an art lecturer, and also I'm a freelance artist. And a lot of my work is to do with responding to music, live performances, creative performances. And I was brought in today to open up a workshop based on the Song of Hiawatha, which was a composed piece of music by the local Croydon composer Samuel Coleridge-Taylor.
I'm Nikki and I study art and design level 3. Looks like he would have a moustache, so I drew a guy with a moustache and I drew the song inside of it, and then the colours on the outside are the colours that sound like the song.
Two things. I have fumbled twice. Number one, there was paint on the ground, luckily it's cleared up. But number two, what's this?
Hi, my name is Valentina, and what inspired me to do this was the concept of death. She has died and he is alive. It's kind of a yin-yang of life, well, life and death. And I'm going to incorporate a line of light, showing how his only light has faded away.
Hiawatha is based on the indigenous peoples of America, and it comes from a poem, a sympathetic epic poem by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow, an American poet. And it really looks at the stages of the life of the tribe around Lake Superior. And what we've been looking at today falls down to 3 categories. It's the marriage of the warrior Hiawatha to Minnehaha, the death of Minnehaha, who sadly died in the famine. This is all a story, by the way. It's not. It's fictional oral storytelling, which the community really take as a way to encourage their ongoing story, really, I think, through history and in order to establish themselves as a tribes people. The final part of the music is about Hiawatha leaving his tribes people and going on a departure journey, going out to make a new start and a new life. We have spent just one morning from 10 o'clock till 1 going through, listening to the Coleridge-Taylor pieces of music, responding with mark making, with all the skills that we have as an art group, taking that then into considering one parts of the trilogy, and having a go at painting that using colour. I just think the students have done brilliantly. The work is extraordinary, it's expressive, it's very different, it's very diverse, and everyone has brought their story, their speculative story and imagination to the table. And what we've got here will be part of an exhibition which is funded locally by Croydon Council and is part of Croydon School of Art. Incidentally, Coleridge-Taylor was a professor of music theory and harmony at the Croydon School of Music and Art, which was the forerunner to this particular college. So it's really apt that part of the history of this college is brought into this workshop today. So it's absolutely great. I'm blown over by the whole thing. I'm taken away by it. I think they've done amazingly. So well done, students, well done, college.